Sun and Moon. Sunrise 6:51 a.m. Sunset 4:56 p.m. Moonrise 4:16 p.m. Moonset 5:48 a.m. Next day. Tithi, lunar day. Panchami Tithi, 5th day of the waning lunar phase, until 10:52 a.m., followed by Shashti Tithi. Significance: Panchami is favorable for learning and communication, while Shashti is associated with health and wellness. Nakshatra, lunar mansion. Kritika Nakshatra until 10:16 a.m., followed by Rohini Nakshatra. Kritika, best for disciplined work, intense efforts, and starting new projects with focused energy. Rohini, favorable for creative pursuits, agriculture, and nurturing relationships. Yoga, Ayushman Yoga until 11:30 a.m., followed by Saubhagya Yoga. Ayushman supports health and well-being, long-term planning. Saubhagya brings fortune, prosperity, and auspicious energy, beneficial for new beginnings. Karana, Garja Karana until 10:52 a.m., followed by Vanija Karana. Garja, suitable for completion of tasks with responsibility. Vanija, good for business and financial matters. Paksh, Krishna Paksh, waning moon, conducive for introspection and completion of pending tasks. Samvatsara, Shaka Samvat, 1946, Krodhi. Vikram Samvat, 2081, Pingala. Gujarati Samvat, 2080, Rakshasa. Auspicious timings, Shubh Muhurt. Amrit Kalam, 9:15 p.m. to 10:53 p.m. Abhijit Muhurt, 11:49 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Ideal for important ceremonies, business decisions, and beginnings. Inauspicious timings, Dur Muhurtam. Rahu Kalam, 1:50 p.m. to 3:12 p.m. Yamaganda, 9:34 a.m. to 10:56 a.m. Pulikai Kalam, 7:12 a.m. to 8:34 a.m. Avoid these times for new ventures, travel, or important activities. Planetary positions: Sun, Surya Libra, Tula. Moon, Chandra Aries, Mesha. Mars, Mangal Taurus, Vrishbha. Mercury, Buddha Virgo, Kanya. Jupiter, Guru Taurus, Vrishbha. Venus, Shukra Leo, Singha. Saturn, Shani Aquarius, Kumbha. Rahu, Pisces, Meena. Ketu, Virgo, Kanya. Additional observations: Panchami Tithi and Kritika Nakshatra. This combination favors disciplined approaches and completing tasks with dedication. Rohini Nakshatra later in the day brings a nurturing, creative energy. Chandra Rashi, Moon sign, Taurus. Vrishbha moon in Taurus supports stability, material pursuits, and grounding activities. Disha Shul, direction to avoid for travel. North. It is advised to avoid travel toward the north. A ritual or small prayer can help minimize any negative effects if travel is necessary. Ritu, season. Sharad Ritu, autumn season, a period of reflection, balanced decision-making, and preparing for transformation. Significance of the day: Thursday, Guruvar ruled by Jupiter, a day that favors spirituality, wisdom, and intellectual pursuits. Ideal for seeking knowledge, engaging in teaching or learning activities, and making long-term financial or business plans. Special yogas. Saubhagya Yoga brings good fortune, luck, and favorable outcomes, making it a particularly auspicious day for starting new ventures and financial investments. Shogriya, daytime Muhurt timings. Udveg, stressful 6:51 a.m. to 8:13 a.m. Chal, good for travel 8:13 a.m. to 9:35 a.m. Labh, profit 9:35 a.m. to 10:57 a.m. Amrit, best 10:57 a.m. to 12:19 p.m. Kal, unfavorable 12:19 p.m. to 1:41 p.m. Shubh, auspicious 1:41 p.m. to 3:03 p.m. Rog, illness-prone 3:03 p.m. to 4:25 p.m. Udveg, stressful 4:25 p.m. to 4:56 p.m. Aura, planetary hour timings. Jupiter Hora, prosperity 6:51 a.m. to 7:51 a.m. Venus Hora, harmony 7:51 a.m. to 8:51 a.m. Mercury Hora, communication 8:51 a.m. to 9:51 a.m. Moon Hora, emotions 9:51 a.m. to 10:51 a.m. Saturn Hora, discipline 10:51 a.m. to 11:51 a.m. Jupiter Hora, wisdom 11:51 a.m. to 12:51 p.m. Mars Hora, strength 12:51 p.m. to 1:51 p.m. Sun Hora, vitality 1:51 p.m. to 2:51 p.m. Venus Hora, harmony 2:51 p.m. to 3:51 p.m. Mercury Hora, communication 3:51 p.m. to 4:51 p.m.